this tutorial, we're going to show how in Adobe LiveCycle to create and save a customized field object. So we have a blank form open, and I'm going to, in the object library, select a drop-down list and drag it onto my form. Then I'm going to make some changes to that drop-down list. Take away the caption, take away the customized sunken box effect. I'm going to add some list items. I'm going to change the font to something that's not defaulted, and the size of the font. And I'm going to put a default value in. I'm going to center that value in the middle. Now, I have everything like I want it. If I want to save this object for future use in other forms, all I need to do is highlight the object and drag and drop it back into the object library. When I do this, a dialog box opens asking me to add library object. So I can name this object give it a description, and then I have the choice here of which portion of the object library menu I want it to be in. I'm going to go ahead and put it in standard. Select OK. And now if I look in my object library, at the bottom is the custom dropdown. So to test whether or not this is going to work, I want to delete the one I have, click this one, and drop it back on there. I can also demonstrate it by closing the form, opening a new form, and doing the same thing. And so this works with one object. It also works with more than one object. So let's say we have a customized drop-down and we have a customized text field underneath it. We'll go ahead and take away the caption. We'll center it. We'll make the font Arial. And we'll take away the sunken box effect. And we'll give it a default value of custom text. Now let's say we want to group these together as a customized group of objects. And we use the same process. We drag and drop, highlight everything we want, throw it into the object library, give it a name, give it a description, tell it which group to go, and hit OK. And if you look, we see we have a custom drop-down now. We have customized group. And so let's test that. We'll select it. We'll put it in an object, and there it is. So in this tutorial, we learned how to customize objects and save them for future use in other forms or reuse in the same form. And not only custom objects, but custom groups of objects.